मॅगझिन्समधून त्यांचे लेखही प्रसिद्ध झाले आहेत. मी मिनाज मॅडम यांना विनंती करते की त्यांनी व्यासपीठावर येऊन मनोगत व्यक्त करावे. तत्पूर्वी मी IIA नाशिक सेंटरचे अध्यक्ष श्रीयुत प्रदीप काळे यांना विनंती करते की त्यांनी मिनाज मॅडमचे स्वागत करावे.
Thank you, Mona, for the introduction. This is a very emotional moment for me because I'm coming back to Nasik, the city that I grew up in, the city that taught me to love architecture and life. I'm overwhelmed to see so many of my teachers, my childhood friends and family here in the audience. Though I must say that though I moved out of Nasik more than a decade back, I was always welcome here because of Sanjay Patil sir and his family, and they never let me feel that I don't have a home in Nasik. So I'm really grateful to them for that. Well, I have played and replayed this moment in my mind ever since I was a little girl, aspiring to be a writer. Ever since my brother first inspired me to write, ever since my parents encouraged me, my friends, my family, my teachers urged me, sometimes pushed me to write some more. Ever since architecture gave me a direction and made me appreciate built form, culture, history. A few years back, a dream came true when my mentor, architect Sanjay Patil, believed in me and entrusted me with the writing of his book. At that point, it was my husband Aneef who supported me and let me take flight into this unknown territory of publishing. Today, as the book is being released at the hands of such versatile personalities, it is that little girl's dream which is coming true. The writing of this book has been a very meaningful journey for me. The most beautiful part of it was the research that went into it. It took me through various projects designed by the architect, and I analyzed each one of them based on the basic design principles, design elements, and pattern language developed by Christopher Alexander. Believe me, each project inspired the poet in me and made my job extremely honest and effortless. The other interesting part of the journey were the people that I met along the way. Our publishing team, Professor Anurag Kashyap and Professor Ritu Sharma from BNCA, and Mr. Hussain and Mr. Lahiri from Super Book House, who graciously supported me throughout. Jaidev Ranade, who did a fabulous job with the book layout and the cover design. Pitkar sir, who gave us direction and clarity. Anagha, Sneha, Jaidev, Zahid and Aneef, who painstakingly reviewed and critiqued every word that I wrote. Aniket and Harshit, who patiently edited all the layouts. Yogesh and Prateek, who made the movie. And of course, Vijaya ma'am, who has been a silent pillar of support to our entire team. I owe this day to all these people I have mentioned above and to many, many more who have done their bit in their own special way. Above all, I owe this to my parents and to my children, Rian and Raphael, who have been my constant source of strength. At this point, I would like to quote architect Christopher Benninger from his book, Letters to a Young Architect, where he says that there is only one kind of good luck, and that is to have good teachers. My heartfelt gratitude to all my teachers from school and college, to Professor Akhtar Chauhan and Professor Pradnya Chauhan from Rizvi College of Architecture, who taught me to believe in my dreams. To every person, every place, every movie, every book, piece of music, element of nature, which has inspired me and taught me something. In all of these, I see a way in which the Almighty has connected with me, and I bow down to them all in gratitude. I would also like to mention that I am a proud alumni of Rabashi Academy, and this is a homecoming for me. I have had wonderful teachers here, including my English teacher, Miss Meera Ravindran, who always inspired us with literature and poetry and always encouraged me to write. I would like to thank the R.S. Lath Education Trust for the wonderful job that they are doing, and it feels so good to be back here. I trust that this humble attempt of creating this book will take each one of you on a delightful voyage of noteworthy architecture of our times. I trust that this book will motivate each one of you to believe and to fearlessly and wholeheartedly believe in your dreams. And I pray that this book inspires the younger generation and many more generations to come to recognize the power that resides in us, in every individual, which, when clubbed with conviction and dedication, can transform the world into a better place. I would now like to present to you a short movie which has been compiled by architect and filmmaker Yogesh Govardhane and cinematographer Pratik Padhe, which encapsulates the feedback given by some of the clients on the architect's work.
संजय पाटील साहेबांनी माझा जो बंगला केला आहे तो अतिशय सुंदर बंगला तयार केला आहे. हा याला गेस्ट हाऊस म्हणाव की रेस्ट हाऊस की फार्म हाऊस, अतिशय सुंदर प्लॅनिंग, अतिशय सुंदर डिझाईन त्यांनी केलेलं आहे बंगल्याचं. म्हणजे या बंगल्यातलं नारळाचं झाड हा गावातला चर्चेचा विषय आहे. म्हणजे असं फार रेअर ठिकाणी बघायला मिळेल की बाबा बंगला आणि बंगल्यात झाड हवं असं. तर इथं आल्यावर तुझ्या ते निदर्शनास आलं असेल की अतिशय सुंदर साहेबांनी ते मेंटेन केलेलं आहे. त्यामुळे आमच्या एक बंगल्याला एक वेगळं स्वरूप प्राप्त झालेलं आहे.
I'm sure after seeing this film and hearing so many aspects of his personality from so many clients, there must be one question in everybody's mind, that who really is he? Who is Sanjay Patil? We have addressed this question in the book in a prose form, but today I would take this opportunity to respond to it through a poetic verse which I have composed in a style that I have learned from Professor Masood Taj. It goes like this. They asked me, who is he? I said, an architect in love with his craft. They asked me, who is he? I said, a dreamer, a lover of nature and art. They asked me, who is he? I said, an eternal learner with an unquenchable thirst for whatever he yearns. They asked me, who is he? I said, an eternal giver who loves to share whatever he learns. They asked me, who is he? I said, a simpleton, embarrassed by harsh limelight. They asked me, who is he? I said, a guru, a mentor, an illuminating light. With these words, I present to you Architect Sanjay Patil. I request him to please come up on stage.
आणि ज्या क्षणाची आपण सर्वजण अतिशय आतुरतेने वाट बघत आहोत त्या क्षणापर्यंत आपण येऊन पोहोचलेलो आहोत, ते म्हणजे पुस्तकाचं प्रकाशन. पण आत्ताच आपण जी फिल्म बघितली त्या फिल्ममधली सगळी डिझाईन्स आपण बघितल्यानंतर आपल्याला प्रश्न पडतो की खरोखर अशी डिझाईन्स संजय पाटील सरांच्या कल्पनेतून साकार कशी झाली असती. तर सर त्याला माझं उत्तर असं आहे, महाभारतातला संजय त्याला जी दिव्य दृष्टी प्राप्त झाली.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
तो संजय रणांगणावर जे चालायचं ते एकट्या धृतराष्ट्राला सांगायचा, पण संजय पाटील सर आपल्या प्रत्येक क्लायंटला तुझं घर कसं उभं राहील हे सांगतात. वैसे डिजाइन तो कई आर्किटेक्ट बनाते हैं, वैसे डिजाइन तो कई आर्किटेक्ट बनाते हैं, लेकिन संजय पाटिल सर उसमें अपनी जान डालते हैं. संजय पाटिल सर उसमें अपनी जान डालते हैं. पुस्तकाच्या प्रकाशनासाठी मी पाहुण्यांना मंचावरती निमंत्रित करतोय. वाय.डी. पिटकर सर, आदरणीय विनायक दादा, सुभाष अवचटजी, रतन सर, शर्वरी मॅडम आणि संजय पाटील सरांच्या सुविद्य पत्नी माननीय विजयाताई, आपण